Hey guys, this is Justin with Funtime RV, and I'm here with the Sandpiper 330BH, right at about 10,000 pounds, perfect for a 3/4 ton, and taking the whole family out with you. Right here, we got the Rhino box, pin box. It's shorter, stouter, it's gonna be a little stronger, and give you a bit more turning radius. Right here, we got a really nice storage compartment up front. You can add all sorts of different battery configurations to your setup. We also got an auto leveling system right over here. So just push button, get camp set up real easy for you. Right over here, we got a really nice water management system, as well as a water filter, black tank flush. So you're gonna be dialed in at the campsite. Right here, really nice big storage bay. Lots of storage. Take all your stuff with you. All right, come on with me this way. You're gonna notice right away the big front cap, it's all paint. Full body paint, 2-layer and clear coat. Right here, dual propane tanks, both on one side, so you're not having to go from side to side. Again, pass-through storage. 110s, cable satellite right in there. More 110s. Pressurized spray port. You know, the kids are running around, you can hose their feet off real quick. Solid steps. Ain't no bouncy steps in this coach right here. Nice awning going the side of the coach right there. LED light strip underneath as well. Get you shining bright at the campsite. You'll also notice the speakers are down low. You're not blasting your neighbors. Right here, we got the coveted root beer fridge. This thing is gonna be legendary. Get you dialed in at tailgating. Come on with me back here. It comes with a grill. You're gonna be ready to rock at the campsite. What you'll notice when you first walk in the coach is the LED lights. It's super bright. The new colors for the 2022s are really light, really opens up the space, especially when you get the natural light in here too as well. You're gonna feel really open. It's gonna be very inviting. Right here, 8 cubic foot fridge and freezer combination. What's really nice about this coach as well is all your hardware is soft close. So very residential. So when you open up these nice pantries here, you got all these drawers and it closes real nice and soft for you. You're not gonna have the kids slamming, banging up your nice cabinetry. 3-burner stove. Nice oven right here for you. Get a pizza, cookies going, convection microwave oven, couch, makes into a bed. Dinette's gonna make into a bed. And let me show you right this over here. You got this really awesome bunkhouse. So back here you got a bed. This couch makes into a bed. And then you can lift this up right here. The kids can have more headspace for when they're watching TV, playing games, all sorts of different things. And let me get out of your way here, but you got an excellent loft right here. Tons of sleeping arrangements. So if you got a really big family, you're gonna be able to take everyone with you. They're gonna sleep comfortably. And you got all this nice wardrobe, dresser for your kids. They can have their own space for all their clothes. And these are all soft clothes here as well. You got this really nice half bath. The kids are gonna have their own space. They don't need to take up your space. You know, you have another door right through here. You know, if you have guests, you're tailgating, they can come in, use this bathroom. They don't have to come into the main coach and get it all dirty. Nice fireplace here. Puts out 5,500 BTUs of heat. Nice 55-inch TV. It comes out, swivels around. So if you're at the couch, you're at the dinette, you can bring it out, swivel it around, get that nice viewing angle for you. You got your control panel right here. This has heated tanks. Forced air into the underbelly. So it's all 4-season coach. You're gonna be dialed in no matter the season. Right up through here. Queen bed. Lots of really nice storage compartments there. Really nice wardrobe right up here. You got 2 ACs, one up here, one in the main body of the coach. Cable satellite hookups there. And then we'll swing around into the bathroom. Really nice space. Porcelain toilets. More storage compartments here. Really nice big shower. Sink, metal fixtures. All right, guys, this is Justin again. Thanks for spending the time with me and checking out this Sandpiper 330BH. If you have any further questions, reach out to us at the Tualatin store, Funtime RV. Again, I'm Justin. I'd be more than happy to show you this coach. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.